Morning, sixth grade. I want you to go through the review with me a little bit and then on your own, and I will post a test, test for you on Google Classroom. I'm going to try two things. I'm going to post it in Google Classroom like I've been doing with anything, and I'm going to try posting it on classwork, and then you'd be able to submit it by pushing the turn in button. So try classwork and the turn in button, and then if that fails, try doing the test and sending me a picture. Thanks. So anyway, today is Thursday the 26th of March, and this is for both S and J. And the first part, or the longest to go, is listing factors, and I want you to think in pairs. An example was 65. Now, I'm not sure how well you can see 65. I used a smaller marker. Oh, that's not good either. Anyway, 65 has two pairs of factors. 1 and 65, and 5 and 13. So, of course, I use my divisibility rules to figure that out. Thanks. Let me just do this a little bit bigger. If you think in pairs, you will be less likely to not include everything you mean to. So I don't know if that makes it better or worse. But anyway, then there's the prime factorization, and you're looking for prime factors in that case. So you can use the tree method or the ladder method, whichever one you're more comfortable with. But the tree method, here we have 81 again. Well, not again, but again, it's too skinny to see. And I said, well, 81, that's 9 times 9. And 9 and 9 are not prime, so I have to keep on going. And it's 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. So that would actually be 3 to the 4th power. Now here, 81, the ladder method. I'm taking a hint from over here, but I look at 81, I can't use 2, so I'm going to go to my next biggest prime, and I'm going to use 3. No. And that gives me 27. I'm going to use 3 again, and that gives me 9. Well, I know that 9 is going to give me 3 and 3. So again, I have 1, 2, 3, 4s. No, I have 1, 2, 3. Let me start again. I have 3 to the 4th power. All right? So over here, Noah has 10 cards and 3 balls. I don't know what he's doing, but it doesn't make that much difference. What is the ratio of balls to cards? And I listed balls first, so you have to give me the balls number first and the cards number second. You can do it with a colon. You can do it with the word to, T-O, or you could do it as a fraction. But it's got to be balls to cards, which would be 3 to 10. All right? Here's another kind of question you could get, and you have to read really carefully so that you don't end up with the wrong answer. What is the ratio of cards to total? And don't get caught off guard by that. I've got 10 cards, but how many items do I have altogether? Well, I have 10 cards and 3 balls. I have 13 items. So I have 10 to 13. All right? Now, 1/8 is what over 100? 1 divided by 8. Does anybody remember what that is as a decimal? We wrote them down. You should go back in your notebook and check. Or do the work. Whichever one is going to get you there. But I'm thinking that it's that. 65% as a decimal. Well, we're going to do that two-step dance again, but do we go right or do we go left? I'm going to go from here, 1, 2. I believe I'm going left. So 0.65. How about that one? 42 hundredths as a percent. I'm going to do that two-step dance to the right. 1, 2. All right? There's more in the textbook to do. And it's more fresh in your mind, so I think it'll be an easier thing for you to go through and figure it out. So, let's see. Equivalent fractions. You got to be able to know how to do that. You can set it up as a proportion, but you just decide what you're multiplying the numerator by and also do the same with the denominator. Simplest forms, that may mean you're dividing, or it may mean that it's already there. So read carefully on this. Write 3 and 5/6 as an improper fraction. You know how to do that. You're going to say 6 times 3 is 18, and you're going to add the 5. So it's 18 plus 5, 23 over 6. All right? And they're showing you a division way of doing it. Whatever you have to do. 19 over 4, you're going to find out how many 4s there are in 19, and that's what they're doing by showing division. Some of this could be mental math. Comparing and ordering from least to greatest, just be really careful that you read it and you understand that you're going least to greatest or greatest to least. Whatever it is you're supposed to do, read carefully. Now, the chapter test in the book, I'm not going to use. I'm going to use a test that I took out of the other sources, and it's going to be multiple choice to make it as easy as it can be to get this response to me. So I will post this tonight or tomorrow morning, and good luck. Anyway, don't forget to go to music right now, and don't forget to look at this video later. All right? Thanks.